Oh, as our mountain communities are preparing for this 1-2 punch from Mother Nature here in the valley, we are expecting more of the high winds that slammed the area last night. Kind of hard to get to sleep last night. This is video sent to us by Vanessa Prince when the winds really started to howl here in Bakersfield. All around the county, though, there are reports of blowing dust and falling branches and down trees and power lines and fences also knocked over. Pacific Gas Electric Company warning that this extreme weather could cause trees and other debris to fall into power lines, potentially damaging equipment and interrupting electric service. Already it happened last night when about 10,000 homes were put in the dark as the wind whipped through Bakersfield overnight. And while the lights are back on, PG&E is preparing for more outages due to this storm to help restore power to customers as soon as possible. The utility says it's using new technology and equipment that will self-heal the grid. The utility says its meteorologists are closely tracking the incoming storm and adding additional resources in areas where strong winds are expected to cause the most impacts.
Once those first responders come out, they're the ones who identify whether it's something they can fix themselves or if a crew is needed and what type of crew is needed. And those are all things that you'll get notifications on as we work through the process.